Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to create Google Form. So Google Form basically you can use through the collections of information from like events you have organized the events and you want to collect the information like a student, like anything, any customers, any person. So you can collect the information through the Google Form. So let's, without wasting a time, let's start the how to create Google Form. So I will open the Chrome browsers and go to the mail. So where you have to send, we have already logged in the mail ID. If you don't, you can log in through the Google, and after that you will be find this options icon and go to the scroll down and choose the form. After that, it's opening. Okay, so So in this form, you can see the many templates, like you can use the t-shirt sign up. So you can use the same template if you related the events or RSVP and contact information. So you can select this template. It's already making the template like this. So if you require two different form like other form, so you can create the blank form. So after that, we check the blank form and create the fresh form in the blank and create own form. So let's have click on the black form. It's opening. So you can see the view like this. So I will write the descriptions also, because we need to description anything whatever your form. So you can briefly define your in the section description section. So I write anything like we write welcome, welcome back to the come back to the my youtube sorry YouTube channel. So you can write anything. So I write here like, and if you want to bold, italic, so that is the options. You can select the all keyboard and click on the bold, so that will be the convert into bold keyboard. After that we write something, your company name, like whatever your events you can write there in the sections. So I will write the my YouTube channels one take. So this is our YouTube channel. So extra keyword I will remove theirs, and after that description is done. Our uh, organization's name also done. So I will create the field, like we have a multiple options like short field. You can use the name, what's your name, what's your age. You can use the short field for the short answers, and paragraph you can use for the paragraph and multiple also. So we have a multiple fields like, so I will first of all I'll create short field. So let's see how to create. So I will create the name. What is your name? Okay. So this will be mandatory because you need to name for. So I will require the. Sorry. So if you click on the required field, then you can that field will become the mandatory field. And I will create another field. So click on the duplicate value, and after that you can select the paragraph if you want. So I write anything. So I write, please write the comment below. Anything you can write. Just I write like this. Okay. So write, I missed the 1 hour extra. So this field is become paragraph. So paragraph it will be not mandatory. So I will click on the not required, and after that we can click on the extra new field for the multiple choice. So multiple choice you can select the options 1, options 2, options 3. So I will click four options and third one. So the fourth option is already done. Okay, so I will click on the required field, that will become the required, and I will write there the please select the options. Okay, so I write there please select the options. So multiple field also done. After that we can click on, so short answers is done, paragraph is done, also multiple is done. And if you want to check box, so click on the check box for the multiple fields like this, and if you require then you can enable the require button. So next field I will show you drop down fields. So this field, write anything, right? So I will write the please select the drop down value. Okay, so this is the ready field and it will be required, so I will show the required field. And another field I will show you multiple grid, you can use tick box also use. So I will use the last one field, like what is your date of birth. So we need to date field. Okay, for the date of birth, so I will select please select the date of birth, date of birth, and you can select this one. So this will be required, then you can enable the required. Otherwise you can want to response or including something times or description, you want to show something validations, you can add the validations for the data birth. So our form is basically ready. So I will show you how to send this form. So this one you can send if you want to send anyone on mail. So click on the anything right here the mail. So I will select the on mail. After that I will select hi. I will write the my name Rohit. Please fill the urgent form from your end. Okay, so this will be showing in our message. After that you can share the link, so you can share the link also in the mail. I will enter and paste here the link also. So not required if you sending the mail anyone, so it will be not required to sending link. You can check the links to your own form from your end live or not. So you can select and enter the link in the Google bar. After that you can check this form become ready. Welcome back to my YouTube channels, and what's your name? You can select the, please write the comment below and select the options, select the value, select the date of birth. So I will put the name, my name is Rohit, so I will put the name Rohit, and I will put the comment hi everyone, and click on this one and select the options. So option A, options B, you can select the options B, and you can select the drop down value. So we have a 3 field in the drop down list, so we can select options 2, that will be the mandatory field. So we need to choose, it's the mandatory field. After that you can select the date of birth, whatever your date of birth select on. So I will select anything like this, and so okay, so no issue, I will select this one selected, and after click on buttons, form will be sent in our mail. So I have show you how to, so I will check our form getting or not, mail getting or not. So let me check. So you guys, you can see we have getting the form. So this is the UI interfaces, like look like fine from Google end. So you can click on the Google form, then when we click on the Google links also go to the same form. So this form like this, and you can check the informs. We have already filled the form, so we have getting one response. You can check the response form like this. So one response Rohit Rai, hi everyone, page field like options 1 or 2 or 3, and you can check the value also, and date of birth. So these things in done in the form. So thank you so much for watching our video. We will see in the next video.